What's up to the studs? Hey, y'all seen this bike tore down last week, and I told y'all I was gonna figure it out and get it together. Well, we got it together. That's a tour package for all y'all who thinking that you can't get a tour pack to do what you needed to do. What you say? Just a peek. Just a peek. If you're looking for some stereo, come see me. Here's another package we just finished. All right. So this bike got 410s, a set of 6.5s, and a set of 8s. And just for shits and giggles, here's another one. If you can think about it, we do it. Whoopsie.
All right, that's enough. That's enough.
That's enough.
Yeah, they might get mad.
Then we have, it's a bike that we're finna do off the frame. We just had it powder coated. So, if you need something, give us a contact over here at Performance on Two Wheels. We'll make sure you get taken care of. We got a few projects up in here. Let's do it.
This one is for sale. You can come and get it.
This one for sale, actually. You can come get this one. All you guys who love stereos on your bikes, we do a lot. Hey, go open up that. This is the trike we did about a month ago for a young lady. Here's one we just completed also. As I say, we do a lot over here. Come get it. If you want it, come get it. Anything you need. Cams, dyno tune, stereo, even just basic services. We do it all over here. Even got a couple things for sale. We got this for sale. If you're interested, contact me. It's a 2009 Ultra Glide with a trike kit put on it. The bike got 8,000 miles on it. Hit me up. Y'all know what this, y'all should know this one because this was my old baby. The music on this thing is crazy. Let's get it.